Morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. I hope you are doing hard work for the examination. As we are discussing chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. So today we will see the formation of very large number of carbon compounds. Means we can say the versatile nature of carbon. Why carbon shows versatile nature? Because as I told you, it forms a large number of compounds like different type of medicines, different products which we are using in our life, fuels which we are using, all are made up of carbon. So we can say it can form more than billions or 3 millions of compounds. So carbon shows a versatile nature. Why it shows versatility? The question is that why it shows versatility, why other elements do not show. It is because first of that is carbon atom have tetravalency, means carbon have valency 4, so it can easily bond with 4 electrons with the other. And another is that carbon atom can form bond with other carbon atom in the form of long chain and branched and closed rings, while other element can't do. And this property of combining in the form of ring chain is called catenation. So these are the two properties because of which carbons form a different or a very large number of compounds, and we can say show versatility. Now we see the hydrocarbons which were formed by the carbon. So the compounds which are formed by hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbons. They are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which forms single bond with the other element. Here you can see the example of methane, CH4. So it is sharing one electron with the hydrogen and forming a single bond. Similarly in ethane, two carbon share one electrons with the hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. So these are the saturated hydrocarbons. Now the carbons, those forms double or triple covalent bonds, are called unsaturated hydrocarbons, like the alkenes C2H6. So carbon again have 4 electrons and it shares 2 electrons with the other carbon, so double bond comes here. Similarly in C3H8. So these are the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now in alkynes, the first compound is ethyne, C2H2. So to make 8 electrons or noble gas configuration, they share electrons with other hydrogen. So here triple bond is forming between two carbon. So these are alkynes. So the compounds that form single bond are called saturated hydrocarbons, and the compound or the hydrocarbons that form double and triple bond between two carbons are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now next is homologous series. This is the last topic as other portion is deleted from the syllabus. So homologous series is actually a series of hydrocarbons which are basically differ by the formula CH2. Here example is given for series of alkanes, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and so on. So you see the difference between methane and ethane. Ethane is CH2 more than the methane. In methane the formula is CH4, But in ethane, we observe that one carbon and two hydrogen is increasing, so it becomes C2H6. Again in propane, one carbon is increasing and two hydrogen. So the formula is C3H8. So when a series is increasing by the formula of CH2, or we can say the difference between two compound is CH2, that is called homologous series. So the chapter is completed now.